Welcome to Investing 101, Episode 9, Summary and Action Plan. We've covered a lot. Let's summarize and create your action plan. Episode 1, Build an emergency fund first. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Episode 2, Calculate your retirement number. Multiply annual expenses by 25. Episode 3, Compound interest and cost averaging are your allies. Invest regularly regardless of price. Episode 4, The Rule of 72 predicts doubling time. Divide 72 by your return rate. Episode 5, Stocks are ownership pieces. Fractional shares make them accessible. Episode 6, Different investments serve different purposes. Stocks for long-term, bonds for medium-term, savings for short-term. Episode 7, ETFs are superior to mutual funds for most investors. Lower fees, tax-efficient, passive. Episode 8, Retirement accounts offer tax advantages. Prioritize 401k match, then Roth IRA, then HSA. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Calculate your monthly expenses. Add housing, food, transportation, entertainment, healthcare. Step 2. Build your emergency fund. Save 3 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Step 3. Calculate your retirement number. Multiply annual expenses by 25. Step 4. Open a retirement account. If your employer offers a 401k, contribute to get the match. Open a Roth IRA. Step 5. Choose an ETF. Start with SPY, VTI, or VOO. These track broad market indexes. Step 6. Invest monthly. Set up automatic monthly investments. Start with what you can afford. $100 monthly is fine. Step 7. Increase contributions over time. As income grows, increase contributions. Step 8. Rebalance annually. Check your portfolio once yearly. Adjust if needed. Step 9. Don't panic during downturns. Market drops are normal. Stay invested. History shows recovery. Step 10. Review annually. Recalculate your retirement number. Adjust your plan as life changes. Investing isn't complicated. Start small. Be consistent. Let time work for you. Compound interest rewards patience. You've got this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Click the links below to start investing today.